Hey, I wanted to take a quick break from making my regular videos about making videos because I have someone important to introduce you to. Ollie is our foster dog. We'll have him for another couple of weeks and then he'll be available for adoption. You can find him from Golden Bond Rescue. I'll have their website below if you're looking to get a golden, rescue a golden. Ollie is definitely a lover, and he definitely loves food because he came to us at 91 pounds. But we haven't been able to figure out what he wants to eat. The food that he supposedly was eating in his original home, he's not interested in eating that. So we're going to do a quick taste test. Okay, come eat breakfast. So here we go, making our selections. He's starting with the Open Farm wild-caught salmon. I do want to say thanks to Mudbay for giving us a bunch of samples. So we've got samples from Mudbay. We've got his food that we've been trying to feed him on the far end. And then we've got some other food that we had from our past dog, Rowan. Okay, looks like he's just moving right down the line. Next up is Taste of the Wild. And this, I think, is venison. So he's trying out the venison. Looks like he might go all the way through that. He left some of that, and he's just moving right down the line to duck a la veg recipe from Fromm, F-R-O-M-M. Oh, he is back to the Taste of the Wild. Now he is sampling the Whole Heart grain-free beef and pea. Back to the duck. The beef. So the one thing he's staying away from is the one thing we've been trying to feed him for the past week or so. And that is the Blue Buffalo Freedom grain-free, and it looks like it is chicken, potatoes, and peas. So it's the one he hasn't touched, is the one we've been trying to feed him. It seems to be what we've proven today is that he does like food. He just doesn't like the Blue Buffalo Freedom that we were feeding him. And we're going to try out some of these others. So thanks for joining me today to meet Ollie. Maybe you will be his forever home. But if you're interested, if you're a coach especially interested in learning more about using online video, I'd love to see you in the next video.